Hello golden souls. Welcome to Number Gold. Today we're going to talk about angel number 555. The number 555 is made up of the number 5 3 times. This makes 555 a powerful number because its energies and traits are tripled, amplified, and strengthened. Number 555 has strong vibrations of making decisions and life choices, personal freedom and individuality, cleverness and intelligence, adaptability and versatility, life lessons learned through experience and resourcefulness, opportunity and growth, spontaneity, life changes and new chances, adventure, curiosity, challenges, idealism, action, and activity. Angel number 555 means that your life is going to change in a way that is important and necessary. These changes have been inspired and guided by God. These changes will bring about things and results you've been waiting for a long time. They will also bring you fully into line with your true divine life purpose and soul mission. Angel number 555 is a sign from your angels that it's time to let go of the old things that aren't helping you anymore. Believe that they will be changed to better. Let go of old doubts, fears, and perceived obstacles, and if you feel scared or confused, ask your angels for help and guidance. Angels are always with you, so don't worry. Keep a positive attitude and mindset about the new things coming into your life, and be open to the opportunities that come your way. Remember that everything happens for a reason, and that nothing just happens by chance. Even if you don't know why things are changing right now, have faith that everything will work out for you. These changes have happened so that, as a spiritual being, you can break free from old limits and restrictions, and freely follow your soul's purpose. Angel number 555 means that many parts of your life are going through big changes. Trust that these changes will help you both now and in the long run. The angels want you to just go with the flow. Remember that you have the power to manifest and attract the life you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.